Well, good morning, guys. Backyard scrapping here. I got to do a little unpackaging and a little shout out. This actually came yesterday. It's from Value Hunter, and it arrived in good order. So, kudos to the post office for this one. And that's all I'm going to say about that. Anyhow, this was from our bar trade. I don't know if you got to see his video of the bar I traded him. The first bar that I traded him was actually part of the rant yesterday. He's the one that didn't receive the bar. And so we did another trade, and he did get this one, but I added signature confirmation and so on and so forth, and that's really the only way I'm going to send anything anymore if I do it through the post office. But anyhow, our package did arrive. It got here safe and sound. I can feel some stuff in there, so let's open her up and see what we got. What did Val send us? These are why trades are so cool sometimes, because it's always a surprise. You never know what you're going to get. It's like Christmas. Oh, old silver certificate? That's pretty cool. Gosh, I haven't had one of these in a long. I used to have a stack of these, and some years back I traded them all off. So this is actually the only one I have right now. That's pretty cool. And it's a star. That's cool. Very, very cool. 58 Series B star. Let's see what the note says. Dino, did my best to find items to go into your furnace. You decide and feel free. Thanks again for the trade. Best regards, Value Hunter. Thank you, Val. I appreciate that. I appreciate this thing. Like I said, I haven't had one of those in years. And there's me another white tiger. I love that. I love that sticker. And a button. White tiger button. I love his channel logo. Alrighty, let's see. I see some Canadian and I see some other stuff, so let's see what we got here. I guess is that a Libertine? I'm not familiar with the foreign stuff too much, but that's pretty cool. 1 ounce Plata Pearl, so that's pure. $9.99. I gotta touch it. I don't care if it's not supposed to be touched. It might end up in the furnace. Oh, I love that. That's got the writing on the side. Pretty cool. I don't know, Val. I don't know if I can melt that or not. I don't have one of those. Oh, and excuse my noisy air conditioner. It just kicked on. Alright, that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. We got God Bless America, Twin Towers, Land of the Free, and that's also a fine silver. You did good. That's really good. Of course, I don't know if I can melt that one either. We got a banged up seated. That'll work. Seated half. It's like somebody back in the day tried to make a necklace out of it, tried to punch a hole in it and couldn't do it. It says 1856 O. And then we got a Canadian dollar, 1965. 60 troy ounce. Val, you gave me some hard decisions here. And another 65. Tough decisions, my friend, tough decisions. Well, I can always melt them or refine them if I need to. So for now, I think I'm just going to hang on to them. I appreciate it, brother. I am so glad you liked your bar. I will put a link, I guess it's, I don't know, over here somewhere, up there. I'll put a little card so you guys can go, if you haven't seen the video where he got the bar yet, you can take a look at it. And I actually like these. I don't know that I can melt them. And anyway, go take a look at that video, guys. Have a good one. Appreciate you watching, and I will keep you updated on our ongoing postal saga. So hopefully this week we can get into some fun stuff. And everybody have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next video.